Ham fried rice. The ingredients are 2 cups white rice, 1 pound ham, 1/2 cup onion, olive oil, soy sauce, 4 eggs, water chestnuts, mushrooms, bean sprouts, salt and pepper to taste, green onions for a garnish. Bring 4 cups of water and a teaspoon of butter to a boil for the rice. When water is boiling, add 2 cups of rice. Simmer covered for 30 minutes. Simmer and cover for 30 minutes. Rice simmering. Scramble 4 eggs, salt and pepper to taste. Diced onions, diced mushrooms. 1 pound of diced ham. Brown diced ham with a small amount of olive oil. Add diced onions to ham. Add mushrooms to ham. Mushrooms, ham, and onions. Add soy sauce to ham. Rice steamed. When the mushrooms are tender, add more soy sauce and the white rice. Stir in the white rice. Add scrambled egg. Add water chestnuts. Salt and pepper to taste. A little more soy sauce and stir in. Add bean sprouts, cover, and steam. Steam in asparagus as a side dish. Chopped green onions for a garnish. Ham fried rice garnished with green onions, asparagus, and French bread. Ready to eat.